Hi friends, it's Sarah and this is Nacho. Konnichiwa from Tokyo.
Ew, busy!
Yes, very busy. This is the Shubuya crossing. There are hundreds of people walking at the same time and so many bright lights.
Welcome to Tokyo. There are cafes, shops, and big screens everywhere.
Thank you. When we describe what we see, we can say, there is a shop, there are people, there are lights.
Sarah Nacho, off we go. From Paris, lots of Tokyo, we'll say.
Oh no, I can't find the temple. Excuse me, how do I get to Asakusa temple, please?
Go straight on down this road, then turn left at the red gate. You will see the temple on your right. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. When we ask for directions, we can say, where is the temple? Or, how do I get to the station? We made it to Asakusa. This is Senso-ji Temple, one of the oldest places in Tokyo.
This temple was built in the year 628. Inside, there is a gold statue of Kannon, the goddess of mercy.
That's beautiful. And what is the name of this street?
But this is Nakamai Street. There are shops selling souvenirs and sweet cakes called ninyoyaki.
Sweet cakes? Nacho will love that.
There is cake!
When we describe a place, we say, there is a statue, there are shops, there is cake. Come on, Nacho, let's go and buy some cake. After the temple, we came to Ueno Park. Look, there are so many cherry blossoms.
Yes, when the trees flower, families come here to picnic under the trees. It's a Tokyo tradition called hanami, flower viewing. There is also a zoo here, with pandas.
Pandas? Let's go and see them. Now we're at Ueno Zoo. Look, pandas!
Yes, there are two pandas, a male and a female. They love bamboo and sleep all day.
They're so cute. There is also a baby panda, right?
Yes, but he's sleeping now.
I think Nacho has found some new friends. We can say there are two pandas. There is a baby panda. After our day out, we're trying Japanese sushi. Wow, the plates move by themselves. There is fish, rice, seaweed, tofu, so fresh. When you eat in a sushi restaurant, you can say, there is salmon sushi. There are different coloured stickers or plates. Each colour means a price.
Your cat likes sushi.
Yes, he loves fish more than any language lesson. Today we learned how to ask for directions and how to describe what we see using there is and there are. Next time we're flying to New York City. See you there. Come and join us.
From cafes in Paris to skies of gold, every lesson shared is a joy retold. Nacho purrs and Sarah's smile so bright, teaching's our journey, what a delight.